Hello, welcome to my kitchen, and today we are going to make tomato besan. It's very simple recipe, tomato along with besan. So let's start. To make tomato with besan, I have already seeded tomato and cut into small pieces. Pinch of asafoetida, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, pinch of turmeric powder, mustard seed, cumin seed, coriander cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 3 tablespoon besan or gram flour, salt as per taste, and lastly oil. Now we take the non-stick pan, add the oil. Now the oil is hot. I am going to add asafoetida. Add the mustard seed. When mustard seeds start crackle, I will add the cumin seed. Now add the cumin seed. Add pinch of turmeric powder and add the tomatoes. Mix it well. This tomato continuously stirring till it's smooth. After 2-3 minutes, you can see all the tomatoes are smooth. And now I am going to add the garam masala, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix it well. Add the cumin coriander powder. Add the sugar. Keep on medium heat. Add the salt. And now sprinkle the besan. Mix it well. You can see. And now cover this pan for 2-3 minutes. Cook on medium heat. After 2-3 minutes, open the cover and you can see it's ready. I will take into the bowl. it's ready for serving. You can serve with chapati or roti. Thanks for watching video. See you soon. Bye bye.